Both I'm beautiful because we're ladies, we are pretty.
By the way, let me say, this is my attitude towards opportunity.
What's yours will find you. Try to remind myself that everyone and everything what belongs to me will find a way.
There is no excuse for not trying. I think trying one time and winning is called luck, and trying 100 times and winning is called hard work.
I like this slogan because I think you should enjoy life and live it to the fullest because there is no replay.
Why not? I think people shouldn't be bothered by others. I think you should do your own thing because why not?
Any look is better than a body, so before you judge me, make sure you're perfect. Respect each other, and the important thing is believe in yourself.
Know where you came from. Bring like my Japanese, French and Italian tradition to the next generation. Don't forget your tradition,
One's beauty is in their journey. I treat every day like it's a first draft where I can see improvement. I really find beauty in that evolution.
If you don't have goals to reach, you are already lost at the start. If you don't have goals to reach, you have to search for a life if you don't like.
Love yourself and don't let others underestimate you. Learn to love you and show others nothing can reach you. Be proud of that.
Your limits is what you set. So reach as far as I can in life. Try to do sorts of new things. Try to break boundaries. Try to get even higher than I already am.
We are a gallery, but not everyone understands art. I always tell people that they are beautiful and perfect in their own way. That you know you are beautiful, you know you are perfect. And I think that this is the great metaphor for this life policy.
Magenta means the rose light or the reflection of the moonlight on the sea. As you can see here, something you dream about and you want to make it your reality. Goals you want to accomplish. You just have to stick to one path.
Stop being afraid of what could go wrong and start being excited about what could go right instead. You have to make the most out of every situation and stop letting fear holding you back.
If you ever f*** anything up, just call it art and move on. Art isn't perfect, nor is anything you try the first time going to be perfect.
When life gets tougher, so should you. Challenges are only obstacles that have to be overcome.
A true beauty is spectrum of imperfection. I love this slogan because everyone has flaws and no one could be perfect.
Get up and get right, because I just want to let everybody know that you should get up right now, do the thing you always want to do, the goals, anything. Get up and get right. Do it now and your future self will thank you later.
Do it for you. I snapped a photo, put it as my wallpaper, and I put in this quote. As I was walking the streets of New York, I thought I would never, ever do anything if it wouldn't please myself or if it wasn't in my own best intentions.